Welcome to the Center for Career Development at Franklin University. I'm Cindy Freeman, the director. Congratulations on moving into a doctoral program. A doctorate, as you well know, is a terminal degree. We want to make sure that you gain all you can from this experience. Whether you decide to move into consultancy, be an industry expert, or enter the academy, we want to make sure that you have the tools to make a successful entry. In the center, you'll find a variety of services, and understand at the doctoral level, each of these can be individualized for you.
My name is Tim Getz, the Senior Career Development Specialist here at Franklin. Here are just some of the services that we offer through the Center for Career Development. Resume and CV assistance, LinkedIn reviews, information on conducting your strategic job search, My Career powered by grad leaders, blog posts, articles, and other resources to help you with your strategic job search, prep talks and prep chats to help you nail that interview, career fairs and events, and so much more. To find out more information about the Center for Career Development, you can visit our website at www.franklin.edu/yourcareer. To find out more information on My Career powered by grad leaders, you can visit franklin.edu/my-career. You can email us at careerdev@franklin.edu or give us a call at 614-947-6015. We look forward to helping you on your career journey.